Hello everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I want to show you how to bulk create 10, 20, 30, 100 Instagram posts with just two tools, ChatGPT and Canva. It will be something like this. So step one, you go to ChatGPT, you write a simple prompt and generate 30 posts. Great, so to save time, I've already created 30 posts and I saved them into my Excel documents. So let's go back to we're still creating. All right, all you need to do is to just copy paste into Excel. So we go to Canva. We're going to create a simple Instagram post. All right, so you just look for Instagram post and we select blank post. We change color. Next we go to text and select heading. I'm just going to call it maybe a brand name, designer. Next we have another text container for Instagram post. So we change the color to white maybe. Great. Now, in order to use the bulk create app in Instagram, you must have subscribed to the paid version. Otherwise, you won't be able to find. So, switch to apps. Under apps, look for this app. Is called Bulk Create. Okay. Great. So we go to Bulk Create app. Now I want you to switch back to Excel documents, copy all the 30 posts and enter data manually, delete the second column and paste all the 30 posts. Great, done. Next we wanted to connect this paragraph to our Instagram post that we have created in ChatGPT. Just right click on it, connect data, select name and continue. So it will create all the 30 Instagram posts. And next we want to create the 30 design. So we'll click on generate 30 design and that's it. It will create all the 30 Instagram posts and you can edit them from your design. Okay, so like this one. This is one of the example. You can edit, you can add pictures, you can change the add some background. Okay, I hope you like these tutorials. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.